Are you ready to build bigger triceps fast? Developing impressive triceps not only enhances the appearance of your arms, but also contributes significantly to overall upper body strength. A strategic workout routine is essential for massive growth and optimal performance. Begin your journey by incorporating compound movements that effectively target the triceps. The bench press, whether performed with a barbell or dumbbells, serves as an excellent foundation. As you press the weight upwards, feel your triceps engage intensely. Aim for multiple sets of 8 to 12 repetitions, gradually increasing the weight. As your strength improves, this dynamic movement creates a solid base for further isolation work. Following the compound lifts, focus on isolation exercises specifically designed to maximize tricep engagement. Skull crushers impressively target the triceps while maintaining tension throughout the movement. Laying on a bench, grasp a barbell or dumbbells, then lower the weight towards your forehead before extending back to the starting position. Incorporate variations such as cable pushdowns or overhead extensions to stimulate different angles of the tricep muscles, adding variety to your routine and preventing plateau. Progressive overload is the key to building larger muscles. Consistently challenge your triceps by increasing the weight or reps over time. Additionally, incorporating supersets boosts intensity and enhances your workout efficiency. Pairing an isolation movement with a compound lift, such as doing a set of dips immediately after skull crushers, will create a heightened pump and expedite muscle fatigue, compelling your triceps to grow larger. Nutrition plays an indispensable role in muscle development. Ensure your diet is rich in protein, healthy fats, and complex carbohydrates. Consuming protein-rich foods such as chicken, fish, and legumes aids in muscle repair and growth, while whole grains and healthy fats support sustained energy levels during workouts. Hydration is critical, so drink plenty of water before, during, and after your training sessions to optimize your performance. Finally, be mindful of recovery, as it's a crucial component of muscle growth. Ensure adequate rest between workouts to allow your triceps the opportunity to repair and strengthen. Sleep and rest days are your best friends in this journey, as they help prevent overtraining and injuries, ensuring you consistently return to the gym with maximum effort. With dedication and the right approach, bigger triceps can be yours faster than you think.